tonight's homework, we're doing more multi-digit by multi-digit multiplication. And we've learned a very specific way in which to do it through a couple of our games and other activities throughout the last couple of days. But today is the day where we really start to put all of those things together. So I just want to kind of do a brief refresher of how to kind of put all that together and do a two-digit by two-digit multiplication problem. So this is tonight's homework. You can see we've got a lot of the multi-digit by multi-digit. I'm going to do a couple examples that we looked at in class today of just the two-digit by two-digit. So if we read through these number stories, the average person in the United States drinks about 61 cups of soda per month. How many cups is that per year? So since there's 12 months per year, I have 61 times 12. Now there's a couple different ways that I can set this up, and I'm going to show you both of the ways. I'm going to do one problem in each way. I can split this up like our multiplication wrestling game, where 61 can be broken into 60 times 1, or plus 1 rather, times 10 plus 2 for the 12. And then I'm doing that whole FOIL piece, where it's first, 60 times 10 is 600. Outer, 60 times 2 is 120. Inner, 1 times 10 is 10. And last, 1 times 2 is 2. And then add them up. And I have 2, 3, 7, 732 is my answer. The other way I can set this up, if I look at question number 2, which is going to be 18 times 16, I can set it up on top of another. And we kind of talked about this as kind of that bow tie method of kind of keeping track. I have 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 8 is 80. And 8 times 6 is 48. And add those up, and I'm out of room. 8, 8, and 2, 288. So those are kind of the two ways that you can set this up, and you'll see once I've done all of them, it kind of makes a little bow tie in the middle, thus that little bow tie name. So these are the two ways you can kind of do it. Certainly if you're having difficulty, please break it up like our multiplication wrestling. And you shouldn't have too much trouble if you follow that method. So good luck, and if any difficulty, please make sure you see me in the morning.